Ellen DeGeneres is a well-known comedian, television host, actress, writer, and a producer. She is well known for hosting the TV show called Ellen DeGeneres Show. In today's segment, let's find about her partner. Portia de Rossi is a businesswoman, philanthropist, model, and actress. She is born in 1973 and an Australian-American citizen. She has taken part in many films and TV shows including Silence, The Invisibles, Women in Film, Eyewitness, The Twilight Zone, Scandal, and Family Guy. And she has won many awards including Screen Actors Guild Award, TV Land Award, and Golden Satellite Award. Ellen and Portia are married since 2008. Portia has her own art company called General Public. They both are spending their life really happy. Portia is a supporter of many charities. Some of them are Lock of Love, FXB International, African AIDS, Alley Cat Allies, The Gentle Barn. She is a great animal lover, adventure lover, and a good food lover. Here's what she says about Ellen. I have changed so much as a person since I met Ellen. I used to think the way to be strong was to be tough. I used to think that to be independent was not to need anyone. Ellen has completely changed the way I look at life. She has made me not worry about what other people think. She has taught me that who I am is perfectly good enough, and that I don't have to pretend to be anything other than who I am. And that's been the most incredible gift that she's given me, that anyone could give to anybody that they love.